Welcome to the course on data mining. In this course, we will cover the basic algorithms of data mining, including data pre-processing techniques, different steps of data mining, association rule mining, classification including different techniques like decision trees, Bayesian classifiers, support vector machines, and then clustering and exploratory data analysis like the K-means algorithm, hierarchical algorithms. We will also cover some of the sequence mining tasks and then some of the techniques of visualizing and evaluating the output of the learning algorithms. And finally, we will give a brief introduction to some of the softwares that can be used for the purpose of data mining. As you know, the data mining is an interdisciplinary topics. It includes concepts from computer science, from database technologies, from artificial intelligence, from machine learning, statistics, data visualization, high performance computing, algorithms, human computer interface, and optimization techniques. So, it is a combination of methods that are inspired from various sources. So, we will try to cover only the parts from each of these sources that are necessary. Coming to the definition of data mining means discovery of various types of patterns that are inherent in the data and which are accurate, which are new, which are useful and which has some kind of benefit. So, this may be used either for a business purpose, improving the commercial benefits, or for a scientific purpose for discovering new phenomena. In fact, data mining is also known by an alternate name known as knowledge discovery in databases, KDD. So, this subject has developed a lot over the past 2 decades starting from the early 1990s. Many organizations from that time began to store huge amount of data like say banks, commercial organizations, retail outlets, scientific biological data, the internet, the web, various movie and other repositories, multimedia repositories. So, they accumulated huge amount of data and this data people believe that has some ingrained information which can be extracted to the benefit of the owner of the data. Thus, people started studying these algorithms which from huge volume, that is one of the important aspect of data mining. It usually deals with a very large volume of data, heterogeneous data, not just one type, multiple types of data to extract these patterns. This is very useful as I have mentioned not only from a commercial perspective, business perspective, but also from various scientific perspectives. So, I hope this course will be useful to audiences which include people who want to do research, develop new algorithms, study for some apply data mining to some scientific domains like biology and say natural language processing, as well as to people who want to use it in industry for their customer needs or to improve their organization. This may be applied to different kinds of industries like retail, like process plants, industrial process plants, manufacturing, business transactions, transportation company, logistics companies, many places you can apply this technique. So, it is useful to lot of industry. People who are aspiring for an industry job might also find learning this technique useful, so that they can be applied to actual industrial problems in the software industry. In this this data mining being a vast topics, I will in this course cover only the fundamentals which are commonly applied in practice, the methods which form the foundation of technique. There are many other methods also which I will not be able to cover, which involve some advanced topics. If you are interested in the course of interaction during the course, if you ask me for some specific topics, I will be happy to answer questions on those. And also I will try to give you a flavor of what kind of softwares and techniques, algorithms, packages that are used for doing the data mining. I will give brief introduction to them. In the course, of course, you will have assignments where you can try to test your skills that you have learned from the lectures. The assignments are meant to reflect actual industry use, so you may relate to them also. There will be discussion forum where you are welcome to ask questions. As I have mentioned, this is a research topic, so there will be many, and this is a vast topic. So, it is not that everything I will be able to cover. So, if you ask questions, of course, I can answer you specifically on a topic. I will be happy to do that. There are some textbooks which are excellent on this topic. To name a few, one is Data Mining Concepts by Han Camber, and one is Introduction to Data Mining by Bipin Kumar and Steinbach. So, these two books are mostly the material that I will be following in this course. Some of the material will be from other sources which I will mention. So, I suggest that beside hearing the video lecture, you also go through the textbooks, so that at least you can get an hands-on experience with examples. In the lack of time, I will only give a few examples in these video lectures. You should go through other examples also. And also, most importantly, I would love to do an interactive course. So, all your questions are welcome. Any question you feel, any difficult or easy or specific or general, any questions you feel, you please ask. I will be happy to answer. So, best of luck. I hope you will enjoy the lectures, and I hope you will learn data mining so that you can effectively use it for your industrial application as well as research. Thank you.